So I'm here in Williams, Arizona, about to catch the Grand Canyon Railway that will take us into the Grand Canyon. So this railway was first opened in 1901, and what it does is you catch the train here in Williams, you ride it over to the Grand Canyon National Park, you get off, you get entry to the park, get to look around, do the sights, and then you ride it back over here to Williams and you can pick back up on your trip on historic Route 66. So it's pretty cool, beautiful scenery. They've been having flash floods here over the last few days, which is very unusual for this part of the country. When we were looking at our trip and planning it, everything was projecting that it would be in the hundreds when we got out here. Well, this morning it's only 57 degrees with an anticipated high of 62 degrees. And all I brought were shorts and t-shirts because I'm from Florida and I was coming to the desert, but it's okay. I've got a hoodie that I can put on if I need to, but very excited, loving the scenery around here. It's a little overcast, but still very beautiful. Far different from Florida. And I'm very excited to be able to see the Grand Canyon for the first time ever today. So check it out.
Nice. Alright, come on, cowboy, how many eggs you put that there? Only put 6. 62, how many we have? You can't count? But I think I see what the problem is. You done dropped your cards. Oh? No, my card's still on my sleeve. What happened? That guy's cheating us. Let out somewhere. I'm going right there. He pulled out a great big double-barreled shotgun. And he gunned Texas down. Yep. That was the worstest thing we ever saw.
That's where Clark got the cash. I think. I'm gonna compare it to the movie later. This is just hard to describe. I'll let the images describe it. One of the things that you immediately notice here at the south rim of the Grand Canyon is that the guardrails are kind of more like the honor system. You'll see that, you know, this kind of thing is common. You know, 1,000 feet drop off, no guardrail, kind of like it. You know, just unbelievably beautiful, just gorgeous. It was raining all day yesterday, and it was projected to rain all day today. And this happened, so beautiful. It's in the 70s, and it's breezy, and it's gorgeous. And frankly, this is just jaw-droppingly beautiful. So you can do a hike, rim to rim hike here, and it takes you to the bottom of the canyon. You go across, well, you camp in the bottom of the canyon overnight, and then you come up the other side. And so right down there between those two peaks, or those two valleys, there's a trail. You'll see a guy that's just standing still down there. I'll try to tighten up on it as much as I can for the video, but you know, we'll see how that works. But that is the trail. I mean, and I'm at least 1,000 feet above that guy.
Did you want to take some view with that rock thing before you come? He's looking.
Jump on your back. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Take your trash. Oh my God.
Can you get a tiny piece? On her!
Very
No.
Brazen is what they
They're used to
They're
people.
brazen.
Wow. I've never seen some people. Oh, she's eating something. She's done something.
just to pay them all. Ain't seen nothing like any music at all. I just don't like it.
Get a close up there, ma'am. You know what that's called, don't you? That's money shot. Because there's money in it. Yeah. How about you folks?
right, so I'm wrapping up my Western adventure with my wife and my mother-in-law to see the Grand Canyon and some of the sights here in Arizona. And also we eased into Nevada just to take a look at the Vegas Strip, but that's all we did. We didn't even get out of the car at the Vegas Strip. In the back there you see Camelback Mountain outside of Phoenix. So I gotta tell you, coming back to the West, except for I don't think I'm coming in the summer. It's only been in the 90s here while I've been here, but people that we've talked to from the area said, what possessed you to come to Arizona in the summer? Because this is the coolest weather they've seen in the summer in years. They've seen days over 110 degrees, multiple days in a row, and we have barely broken the 90s. In fact, when we landed on Friday, they were in a monsoon, is what they called it. That was just a rainstorm for us. But it was 57 degrees when we got off the plane, which is unheard of for July in Arizona. So anyway, great place, a lot of cool stuff. I'm bringing the 4Runner back out here to do something, you know, do my kind of stuff, a different vacation. And also, still gonna get to Colorado. Coming out here and seeing these sites makes me want to get to those places that I've seen online in Colorado even more. So anyway, if you haven't gotten out west before and you live in the US, do it. It's worth the trip. Grand Canyon did not disappoint, just unbelievable. So check that out. Also, if you're staying in the Phoenix area, check this little place out. It's got a real Clark Griswold family vacation feel. It's the Embassy Suites out near the airport, and it's a little old, but it's cool, and got a nice view of that mountain in the background. So I'm here at baggage claim in Arizona waiting for my bags to come out, and it was just explained to me that here in Arizona when it rains that there's a severe delay in getting your bags because they don't want to get wet. We don't do that at Florida airports. You can't.